I know I forgot to do an intro, right? And it's the end of the night. So go check out the video. I'm still gonna put this in if I feel like it. So I'm gonna say go check out the video. McGrath foundation. Period. Okay, finally. Am I like too close, too far away? But anyway, as you can see, I've already color corrected. Hopefully this is blended in, because I can never find a brush that I actually do my color correcting with, and then I probably should have got a sponge, but I didn't. But it is what it is. I'm just hoping the foundation will cover it. So I'm finally getting to the McGrath foundation, and this is the Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection foundation. I know you guys have seen this. Damn it, I did this and I did not use the primer. You know what, I'm still gonna put a little bit on there. I got the kit from the website. I don't even know how to open this. Damn it, I can't believe I did that. Okay, so I just ripped the packaging because I wasn't sure how it was supposed to open. Okay, and this definitely feels cheap, like everybody was saying. It has just this little thing over top of it. It almost looks like a deodorant or something. You guys see it? Is it gonna focus? I guess not. It's not gonna focus. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on my face, being as though I've already color corrected like an idiot. So, it does smell like skincare though. It definitely smells like skincare. So I don't know how this is gonna work. It's probably running off my color corrector. But, I mean, that's okay. For the sake of the video, I hope it doesn't screw it up. But this was the Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Primer. Rolling right along. I'm hoping that this shade really does work. You guys have seen the packaging. I love the packaging of the foundation. Like, this is McGrath at its best when it comes to packaging, which she always goes above and beyond. And the foundation bottle looks like this. Very, very nice and sleek. And it just looks very luxurious. This looks like it would cost $68. So I'm hoping that this is like right enough for you guys. But excuse the background. I need to find a way to do a better background. And I'm using my old camera. So I picked up the shade Medium Deep 23. I'm not even going to get into the video that I did about not getting my order correctly and then waiting to get it back and sending the other foundation back. So I'm just going to put some of this. It's rather liquidy. Excuse what this thing looks like. There we go. But that's the foundation right there. And I'm going to go in with this Smashbox blurring foundation brush, and I hope that this will work. So I'm going to go straight in and pat it in. I'm using my mirror down here. So I don't know if I should swipe it or just pat it in. But I'm going to pat it in. I probably could swipe it. It smells like fresh. The foundation does. I guess the color is like pretty much spot on. I don't know if you guys can tell. The lighting might be a little bit off, but I think the shade match was pretty good. I wouldn't mind seeing what Medium D24 would have looked like, which is the one they sent me, which is not the one I ordered initially, but since they wanted it back, I sent it back. I thought they might have been nice and said, oh, well, you can keep it since we sent you the wrong shade, but it didn't happen like that. I'm trying not to get all in my hairline, which I normally tend to do. This is doing pretty good. I'm hoping my skin reacts good to it. I heard people say that there's like alcohol in this, for the ingredients. Yes, it is. It's like the 5th ingredient, which a lot of people don't like in their foundation because it can dry you out. And this didn't do a bad job. I've done pretty much like half of my face, but it's not a lot of coverage, but it's supposed to be buildable. So That's what we're doing. Ooh, I put too much on this side. I'm good. I'm gonna go back on the other side some too. Oh, and I'm wearing the Anastasia Novena Volume 1 palette. I watched Andrea Renee's video today, so I like recreated this. I'm gonna link her channel down below, but I'm pretty sure most of you know who she is. Yeah, I'm pretty sure most of you know who she is, because I love her. I also picked up the Charlotte Tilbury foundation. I'm looking at my other mirror and it looks pretty good. It'll probably look even better once I do something with my lower lash line. I don't know why it looks like my under eyes are like super duper dark, but it doesn't. It looks actually pretty good. I don't even know exactly how many pumps I use, but I'm gonna try to like finish it off. But to me, the coverage is pretty good. Excuse me. Ooh, Crystal. The coverage is pretty good for the discoloration I have on my face. So I'm pleased as far as that goes. The coverage. It feels nice on the skin. It feels refreshing. It almost feels like a drink of water on your skin. And if you're dealing with skincare and making this like help your skin later on down the line, then I'm pretty sure that's what they were going for. So I'm not mad. I'm not mad at what it looks like. The lighting might be making it look a little on the orangish side, but outside of the lighting, it looks really, really good. And it looks like a very good match. I'm not even sure what concealer I want to use. I probably should have thought about that before I did the video. Before I started the video. Maybe I'll go with Jouer. Jouer is almost like high coverage, but maybe that'll help with what my under eyes are looking like. Dang, I should have got a sponge. Because I don't want to necessarily blend this out. So I'm gonna have to wet a sponge as usual when I'm not freaking prepared to do anything when it's time to do a video. I guess I was thinking like I could blend it out with something else. I probably could use my finger, but I'm definitely not going to do that. So I'm going to wet this sponge. Now I might blend the concealer out. Not on camera. Okay, I'm back. And I blended the concealer out. And I'm not sure. Here I am again saying I'm not sure with something. As far as what I'm going to do as far as contouring. Thought I had a darker concealer to use. Can this work? That's like the same freaking shade as that. Oh, I'm trying this McGrath. And this is like almost like too deep. And that was in F15. That was the Make a Revolution stick foundation. That's not too bad. It's a little deep. But it's okay. It'll do. It will do. What can I do? I'm picking up like 500 different sticks. Oh, I had another one. It's cocoa. Okay, I'm back and I'm semi-contoured. So the little kit came with medium deep 4 setting powder, but I already know from like looking at other people's that that shade is too deep for my under eye. So I picked up from Sephora Light medium 2, which is a little yellower of a color. My stomach is like growling. I haven't eaten today. And I'm hoping that this doesn't make me like super dry. It's like, oh, it's a sifter. And it's like already 500 pounds of powder in it. I don't know if you guys can see that. So like there's already powder in there. So I guess I'm going to try the sponge. And go in. I guess it's not too bad. It could be this mixed with the concealer is not working. But if I could go with like not setting my under eye, I would. I just can't. I can't stand like a dry under eye. I don't like it. I don't really like it. And I don't know if I like this powder either. I guess it's not too bad. I just don't like it. Maybe if Pat McGrath eventually comes out with a with the concealer, then that one will go with the powder, I hope. But that's that. And then I'm going to bronze my face. I guess I'm just gonna use my Fenty. Oh, I probably could use the other setting powder. Maybe that's deep enough to bronze my face with. And it just might be. And it looks like this is in the container as well. Should I have my, shit. Okay, and that like popped up out of the container. Shit. Onto my hands. Good thing I don't have on white. Yikes. So, I wonder if I do like a sheer something or another. Make my table off. What's anyway, you clean your makeup table on it. Sorry guys, I'm like taking forever. But I like don't want to get this everywhere. I don't know if I'm even getting any product. Because I don't want to get a lot. Okay, and that looks like it's... This isn't going to work like I thought it was. I thought it was going to be able to like bronze me up a little bit, but maybe this isn't like what I wanted, excuse me, as far as like bronzing me. Okay, so you know what, I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and then I'm going to come back. Okay, so I'm back, and here's the thing. I don't really know how I feel about the foundation right now. I think it's the powder. So the next time I use it, I probably won't be using the powder. I can tell you that right now. That's my only gripe. As far as the foundation and how it's looking, I think it looks really good. I'm not even gonna knock the foundation because I like it. I like the way my skin looks aside from the powder. I feel like it was a good match, so I did a good job. Pat myself on the back for that one, and that's pretty much it. We'll see how the primer goes. I probably won't have it on that much. I'm about to go out and meet my friends, so I don't know exactly how long I had the foundation on. It's like 6 in the evening right now, so we'll just go from there. But as far as the foundation, I really like it. The packaging, the finish, how it makes my skin look, because technically my skin looks good, and I didn't even really put on, like, cake that much foundation on, but I feel like it looks good for my skin and the problematic stuff that I have going on with my skin. But that's pretty much it, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Comment down below, subscribe, do all that good stuff, give a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye. Hi guys, I figured I'd get back on really quick. It is 10:30 at night, so I've had the foundation on for about 4 hours. Oh no, it might be like 5 hours, because I put the foundation on before I finished my makeup. But I haven't blotted or anything. As you can see, I have a little bit of shine. As I'm looking in the mirror, it doesn't really look bad. So I don't know how long it might last. I'll probably be like super duper oily in another hour or so, but the main oils are like right around here in my smile lines, which to me isn't bad. My under eye doesn't look bad, so maybe the powder wasn't that bad. Now that it's like settled in, I am a little creasy like right under here, but I mean, that's expected. That's just what happens. I don't see where like no concealer or anything is gonna help with like creasing under the eyes. But otherwise, I'm very pleased with the foundation. So I guess you could say it's pretty decent. I don't know if it's worth the price tag, but it's Pat McGrath, so you can expect for it to be luxury beauty prices. So it is what it is, and I did get a deal getting it from the website, so I can't complain. But otherwise, I do like the foundation. I'll give it a thumbs up, and I probably would wear it again and test it out with a different powder though and see how it goes. But yeah, so that's it. That's the end. It's the end of the night. I'm ready to take these lashes off, this makeup off, and go to bed. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.